Welcome back, all you stone turtles out there. I'm Stoned, and today we're going to be making some happy bars. It's an easy Snickerdoodle recipe, so roll those joints and light those bowls. It's time to get baked while we do some baking. For this simple recipe, you're just going to need the following. 3/4 of a cup of our infused butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of tightly packed brown sugar, 2 medium-sized eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. For our topping, we're gonna do even parts, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and sugar for our mixture. Okay, turtles, first we're gonna mix our infused butter and both of our sugars until we get a creamy texture. Now we're gonna add our eggs and our vanilla and mix well. Let's mix together our flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Now we're going to combine everything and mix until our batter is ready. We're going to grease our 10 by 12 pan, add our batter, and press it down. Before we bake, we're gonna add our cinnamon and sugar mixture for the topping. Make sure to spread it evenly. Let me show you. We're gonna throw this in our oven for about 35 to 40 minutes at 325 degrees. Our happy bars have finished baking. It's time to let them cool for roughly 2 hours before we cut into them. We hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Please let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share with all your friends. Thank you all again so much for joining, and we'll see you next time, Stone Turtles. If you would like to help support this channel, jump over to chefturtle420.com and get yourself some cool merchandise that I've got for sale.